What's going on, guys? Roma Oliva coming at you from my kitchen, my second home, where we all know the magic truly happens. I'm making this video today for Ben Pakulski's MI40 new Top Gun search to let our friend Ben go on to do bigger, better things, like take #1 in the Olympia contest. Now I'm going to give you a little brief synopsis about myself, some background knowledge, and hopefully you can relate to my story and my understanding of the fitness industry and where I would like to take it. For me, this all started 11 years ago when I was 13 years old. I was a slightly introverted and awkward kid, and I had lots of pent-up aggression. My mother knew it. And living out in Colorado, you don't get out too much, but she said, you gotta make it. She gave me a gym pass. She said, get out there, go on down. I remember that day, walking through all that snow to get to the gym, and when I finally got in there, that feeling of awkwardness and butterflies subsided pretty quickly. Not completely, because hey, we're all going to be nervous to do something we've never done before, but something just felt right for me. And really, I had no idea how much that would amount to later in life. That one day kind of became a huge part of my life, right then. I've loved the fitness industry since then, and I've learned a whole lot of things in these 11 years through trial. Back then, like anyone else, we innately learned through watching. You see Joe over there on the bench, and he's pushing dumbbells, and you think, okay, well, that's how you work your chest. You watch somebody else do some legs, and you're like, all right, well, that's how you work legs. That's how we learn. However, we're highly intellectual beings, so we have options to learn, be it reading, watching, listening, trying. I did all these things. And we begin at the basics. Everybody starts pretty much the same places. You get muscle development magazines, you look on the internet for whatever website you prefer about the gym. And these give you some insight, but it's not always correct. And more often than not, it's not scientifically backed. It's some BS saying, hey, if I do curls down to the side and back up, I'm going to get 6 to 8 inches of bicep in 3 weeks. But then Johnny at the gym is telling you, well, if you bend over and you curl a 180-pound dumbbell through your legs, you're actually going to see all-around gains and your abs are going to come in next week. It's BS. I'm tired of BS. I'm sure you're all tired of BS, and that's probably all how we got here with Ben Pakulski in the first place. After all the crap and hearing all the crap from people, I started looking at things like PubMed documents, which are based off of, a study group. If 40 people did this, then 30 people showed these results, and 10 showed this. That's cool, and it helped a lot, give me a little insight. However, it's not focused on bodybuilding and a lot of things that we're concerned with. Be it if you want to be a physique competitor for the girls who want to do bikini or their physique or fitness, you gotta have something designated for what it is that we want. Now all these magazines and all these people, they're so happy to teach you an exercise. They're so happy to get you in the gym. But those are steps 1 and 3. What we all seem to miss is right there in the middle is learning about our bodies and how it should function and work. If we don't know how our body functions and work, then the rest is a waste, because we are working our bodies. Why would you not want to know what is happening inside? What is the most beneficial? What if swinging the 60-pound dumbbell isn't the best way to grow? What if it's something you would never have thought of, like bringing your bicep back behind the head where it's in its most contracted position? What if you didn't know that in the most contracted position is where growth happens? Fortunately, Ben Pakulski has put out all of this information for us that he has spent time with scientists learning, and it's available for us to use. I've taken all of that, I've learned it, I've incorporated it. And I knew that I truly learned it when I was able to teach it to my beautiful girlfriend of 3 years, who I'm fortunate enough loves the fitness industry as much as I do. And when I saw her make those mind-muscle connections that I made for myself, I knew I had truly mastered it. Because to be a true master of something, you must be able to fluently teach another person without stutter. That was a great moment for me. That means that I had learned what Ben had taught me well enough to teach another so that they could experience the same happiness and feelings that I had. Now I've been able to take that on and teach a few of my clients that I do personal training with these methods. And they felt the same thing, and I've seen the same look in their eyes when they really feel something new. And that look is still there 2 days later when I see them and they say, wow, my hamstrings are dead. I don't know why being erect and moving my pelvis backwards helped contract my hamstrings, but you killed it. Those are awesome things. Those are what you want to hear if you're looking to help other people in the fitness industry. And for me, it's great to learn, but I love to see someone else make that same connection that I felt internally. Now, reaching people out in the gym or personal training is a great way to do that and help others. But you deal with a very small group. There's not a lot of people you can reach until we expand. And we have great opportunities to do those sorts of things these days, especially with the social network that Ben Pakulski has built here on Facebook, through the MI40 program, and his website. You're able to reach a vast majority of people to teach them without ever having to physically interact with them. You don't have to fly to them. You don't have to be standing there right next to them. They can watch you, they can learn, they can listen, they can repeat. Really, that's the beauty of video and footage these days, is if you don't get it, rewatch it. Rewatch it again and learn it. Now, I've been able to do those things with his, and hopefully through this opportunity, when you vote me for 5 stars, if you agree with me and you can understand my plight and can relate to my fitness life, then I'll be able to teach it to many other people out there across the world. Be it here in America, reach people in China and India, Europe, overseas, or maybe just a state over. You can reach anyone. As well as this would be a great opportunity for myself, I would love to break into the IFBB. And a year behind the scenes in the supplement and fitness industry will be an amazing experience, not only for me, but to share with everyone else. People want to know, but there's not enough out there to show you what's really going on. What do you really need to know? What do you really need to do? I'd love to take that experience and learn it for myself, and to be able to share it as common wealth and knowledge, because currently it's not. So hopefully I can take this opportunity, you will vote for me, and we can take this to the next step, see what the next challenge is. Until then, educate and dominate. I'm out.